restart recorded.
Yes, sir. So see here, last what we discussed.
Okay, sir.
So last class you're discussing as a SAP security hierarchy, discussing as authorization object and how to stick the particular user. We discuss this.
Yes, sir.
And sir, in real time we have a lot of authorizations objects is there and a lot of authorization classes is there. So how we know that? Okay, so this, for example, yesterday what is the class you restricted? So yesterday you're discussing as a basis class restriction. Sir, basis related transaction is okay, but you want to provide a security for finance department, department, SE department, HR department. How you know that? You guys is missing for this authorization object. How you know that? Okay. So now how you know that? So you have to based on the. Okay. So how you know that? So here you have to go for. So that's why if you want to creating any one user ID for compulsory, you can restricting as a. You have to give one mandatory transaction. The transaction is S353. So S353 is nothing but missing authorization of this display. Like suppose anywhere you're getting as errors, you are not authorized to do. So there's access to so on so. Then you can directly go for S353, check it, here the problem is resolved. In real time maximum in security guys will be doing as a in support private, so daily using as a security compulsory. Okay, so how to using will be go for one by one. Okay, so you have to go for now. Why you want to go for S353? You have to S353 here. Missing authorization object display.
Just can you give me?
Please share the screen here.
Can you give me only 1 minute?
Okay, fine.
Actually, my database has, I don't know.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Sorry, sir, I disturb you. Because I don't know how my database is down. It is a 5-node rack. Okay, I will log in.
Sorry. Okay, so now log on to the. Now create one user ID again.
How the alert system is working in SAP?
I'm not hearing you properly. Your voice is continuously breaking till now.
How the alert system is working in the SAP?
Again, log in once again. Yeah, go for SUG11.
No, I have one question. How the alert system is working on your system? Function not possible.
In your SAP.
Yeah, suppose see my database is down. See is alert came. See alert came to me.
Yes.
So how the alert system is working in? I'm sorry to disturb these things.
Okay. Actually, you have to go for RJ20 and RJ21. You have to any alerts, either OS level or database level, automatically getting as a one alert. Okay. RJ20. Go for transition code RJ20.
RJ20 /
RJ. No need to for slash. Initial screen. You have to open another screen. You can go for slash. RJ20. RJ20.
Yes.
So this is for CCMS alert monitoring. Okay. So this is so CCS means Central Computing Management System. Now you want to selecting as a SAP CCM monitoring template. Expand that. Expand that. No. SAP CCM monitoring template.
SAP
CCMS monitoring template.
CCMS monitor template. This one, okay.
Expand it. Yes. Now here, so these are the alerts. So you are getting OS level alert, database alert, anything. Now select the database. Okay, here. So the red color is nothing but already getting as alert. So reaching as a threshold value, automatically getting as alert. Okay, expand that. Okay, select the event request, select it. So just click on Oracle and just click on open alerts. Still now what are the alerts is getting. So how you troubleshooting? Select the Oracle database. No, checkbox. Any one checkbox and open. Just click on open alerts. Above open alerts, just click on that. Open alerts. Main. Oh, click on that. So here, what happened? View the alerts. Okay, check the. Now click on display the alerts.
Okay, buffer cache is full.
Yeah. So these are the alerts. Okay. Buffer and is activation anything. Okay. So based on this, this is performance alerts only. Even backup alert, recovery alert. So everything is displaying one by one here only. Okay. Means once is reaching as a threshold value, so is automatically getting as a one alert. So in SAP, one or two guys is maintained for only alert. It's a OS related alert, it's a database related alert. Okay, it's a normal SAP related. So those are dividing the values. Then after that, you can do troubleshooting. Even network level also, everything you can monitoring this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we are writing all the alerts.
Yes. So the electricity impact.
So we'll go to SU01.
Okay. Use that SU01. Okay. Click on create button. Okay. Enter the last name. Okay. Remove the fax number below. Okay. Go for logon data. Give the initial password.
Okay.
Okay. So click on go for transition code PFCG.
Sorry.
Go for transition PFCG.
Transaction.
Yeah, close it. Yeah, save it.
Ah,
After saving, yeah. Now I want to restrict to this user ID for role. Okay, now go for transition code PFCG slash and PFCG. Okay,
ZMS.
enter the role. Yeah, any name. Click on a create a role. Now go for menu. So here the compulsory transition code is a SC53. So if you are to creating any role for any consultant in a real time, we should be compulsory assigning into the SC53 transaction code. Okay? Why? Because so he's not authorizing anything, you only troubleshooting. So that's why he had to give the compulsory. Every role should be compulsory, you can maintain as a SC53.
SU50.
Okay? Now we assign the transaction SC53.
SU53.
No, not description. In menu tab, you can assign as a SC53 transaction code. Add the transaction. Add button is in the transaction. Now add the transaction code SC53. Now I want to go for PFCG restriction. So now I want to making as a that role is not able to creating. So I want to do that. Okay. Now I send the PFCG transaction also. I want to sticking at WBC by using as a transaction. Okay. Now click on assign. Yeah, now go for authorization. Now click on change authorization data. Now come into this screen next one. What we'll do?
Sorry?
No. Once is getting then what we'll do? So you can do the restriction. Why you want to click on change authorization means already by default.
Yeah, it should be effect that which we
Yeah.
add the menu, it will be effect that.
Yes, if you are already standardized, I want to changing as per my claim requirements. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, close this pop-up and go for main menu utilities. Okay, just click on technical names on.
BC.
What is the authorization object you want to go on? BC. Now, what is the authorization object you want to go?
Basic administrator BC.
Yes, no. S underscore ESR underscore AGR for role restriction. Suppose now I want to user restriction, which one you have to go for which authorization object? S underscore ESR underscore GRP. Sir, I want to remember this authorization will take a lot of time, even you know that identify. That's why you want using the C53. Okay, I will explain now. Now do the now I do the transition PFCG means I want to sticking as a role only. Okay, then what we'll do? So expand that S underscore ESR underscore AGR. Play activity.
You have to give a display only.
Yeah, display only. Okay, star below is star. Okay, now click on generate button. Okay, now click on go back. Okay, now I send the user ID and
User.
yes, now go for user tab. Okay, now do the user comparison.
Okay, we have to save it.
Now log on to PC and check it.
Okay, login. I have to new session.
Okay, now go for PFCG. Now enter any role. Just click on create button. Any role. Any role. Say you are not authorized. I am not authorized. How you know that?
Because
Okay.
when
So in real time, anyone is getting this screen, you are not authorized means you want to ask us, hi team, please share the screenshot of SC53. Okay, those are providing as SC53, then you can troubleshoot it. Now go for SC53. Now go for SC53,
yes, you
53, slash and use the slash and come. So you want to navigating one more transaction for, so you can using as a
slash n.
slash and SC53. Yeah, slash and SC53. Okay, now what authorization object is failure?
User
S
SG.
underscore user underscore AGR. Expand that. What is that? 01 is missing. Then I want to providing that. So where are you providing? Go for that particular
Role.
row.
Yeah.
Go for that particular row and you can give that authorization object. Now already you're open now. That go for there.
Yeah.
Already you're open. Just no, not here. You are log on full Mushkar user ID. Yeah. Okay. Now go for authorization tab. Now click on change authorization data. Okay, now utility, just click on technical names of. Now where we go? So you have to control F.
Yeah.
Just click on control F. So in real time, you have lot of objects. I wrote up. I just click on control F. Okay, you know that work is okay.
Okay.
S underscore user underscore AGR. Type data S underscore USER underscore AGR. Now click on find object. Find object. Now automatically missing here. 02 is missing. 01 or 02?
01.
0. Select the 01. Now click on 01. Again click on save button. Again click on generate button. Again click on generate. Now save it. Okay, now go for that particular user ID NMDC and check it that. Now you go for PFCZ. Now is able to creating or not? Please check it again. Click on create error. Again you are getting error. Why are you getting again? So where you check again? You
Okay.
have to go for SG53 again.
You have to go for user, sir.
No, no, not here. There only SG53. Before, so you want no, you don't go for not yeah. Now go for SG53. Where are you getting that error? You should be compulsory go for SG53 there only, not for outside that. The troubleshooting is you have to go for Mushkadat. What is authorization object missing here?
02.
What actually 02 is missing. Give the 02. Now click on again generate. Save and generate and click on save button. Now go for NMWBC, check the output. Now is able to creating the user ID or not.
Yes, you.
Not again. PFCG.
Yes.
To create the role.
Now favorite exit.
Create button. No, click on the create button. Create a role. Now is able to create it. Okay. Now go for menu tab.
That means SU53.
No, in not here. Menu of your tab. So you can assign either transaction code. Just click on add that transaction code. Now give any other transaction, anything. SC50 or anything. Now what happened? See below error is there. What error is there? Even you're adding any transaction code,
No
we see the below
authorized
error. Why the-
transaction
Yeah,
SE53 to
yeah.
your
Again,
machine.
why I'm not authorized?
Because
Okay, why I'm not authorized? So remove that. Remove the transaction code. Close this. Now go for SU53 and check it. Why I'm not authorized? Go for slash SU53. Slash it. Use a slash it. Check it. What authorization is missing? First of all, authorization object. What authorization object is missing?
SE53
No. Authorization object I'm asking. That is the value. What object is missing?
transaction code
Hmm.
user I
What object? Yeah. S underscore
user
ES underscore
ICD
TCD.
TCD.
Hmm. So in TCD, I want to checking those. Okay. Now go for TCD. Now copy that author. Just click on Control F. Now already is there. Expand that. Now give the values. Yeah. Oh no problem. Already finding no problem. I say in real time how lot of things is that is quite different. So then you can go for normal. Okay. Expanded S underscore ES under TCD. Give the value. Click on change this. Click on change it. Now give the value is SC53. Means in that menu, what is the transaction we are assigning? So you have to go for one by one. Okay. Now check it. Now is it no go for PFCG now.
No favorite exit.
No. They click on create button and click on change button. Not here. You're getting here a different way. Click on change button.
Role Z is
Change
already
already is it. Yeah, already creating. Just click on change button.
change button.
Now go for menu tab. Already we open somewhere. Please check it. Already we open. That's why it's already locked.
Okay.
Okay, now go for menu. Now add the transaction code. Only one the transaction is SC53. Okay, now if you add a transaction code like SC,
Sorry.
again you have one more transaction code, add one more transaction code SU01. Click on assign button. Now again, why are you getting error?
Because the authorization code is not added there.
Yeah, in authorization you restricted that.
Objects.
Okay, in restriction, yeah, S underscore ES and TC, the restriction you have to give the only one. Okay, you have to give the only one transaction, that is the SU53. I'm not giving. Again, how you troubleshooting? Again, how to check whether they are not authorized? Where we go, SU50, then check it. So again, you're getting same thing. Okay. Now close this list. First of all, you want to remove the SU0. Then only is closed. RS is not closed. Now click on assign the transaction code. Okay, okay, action as class. Okay. Now go for SU53. Slash and use the slash and to navigating as any other transaction code. You can use a new session. You want to open new session as slash and is a mandatory. Okay, again, what I say. Again, how you troubleshoot it?
I have to go to S and also your TCD.
Yeah, for that PFCG and authorization, the authorization object. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Yeah, give that. Yeah, click on change it. Yes, give that transition as 301. Okay. Now click on save button.
Generate.
Generate, save it. Now check it. Now is able to add the S01 transition menu or not?
EFCG.
Now you can adding as a SC53 as well as a SC01.
Yes, is added.
Okay, click on Send the transaction flow. Now go for authorization tab. Okay. And below error is just it.
Profile JDate rule 2, no authorization data exists. You have no authorization to create it.
Again, where we go? Again, where we go? So you have to go for SC53. Go for SC53.
I have to go to user
Which are I
profile,
just started and what is activity here?
user profile 01.
That's the reason. And 01. Okay. Let's specify that. So you have to give that.
User profile 01.
Already 01 is there, but give the below one you cannot mention star. Okay, that's why it's written as 0 star. 01 is there. Okay, now below is there, na? Star, putting as star. Everyone I can generate it. Click generate and now check it.
Now I can change it.
Generate icon. No need to do anything. Just click on generate icon.
No authorization general profile JDate 2.
Yeah, again check it why I'm not authorized. Where we check? Yes. For the activity?
Activity
60.
64 in
Yeah, other
AGR.
object is underscore
AGR. AGR.
What do you mean 60 for here? Generate. Okay. You can save. No, below star already there. Okay, generate now. Click on save button. Now it's able to generating.
Yes.
Okay, now go back. Again generate. Now go back. Now go for use. Again you're getting error. What error is it?
Do you have authorized to assign the user to the role?
Yes. Again, what we do? Again, go for SC50.
In GRP 22.
Okay. GRP 20. Give the go for that and give the activity 22. No, that is no. That is you do it frame. GRP below one. Below one. Not the data issue, yeah, below one. 22. What do you mean 20 here? Enter including assign.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
below one putting a star. Below one you putting a star. Everybody. EFC.
PFCG.
Do the user comparison. Again you're getting error. What error is there?
User master comparison incomplete. See the long text.
Again, what we do? Go for SC50. Check it again.
It is a user pro
PR what?
22. PRO 22. PRO 22. What is that 22? Enter include assigns. PFCG.
Now do the user comparison.
User master record for all roles adjusted.
Now successfully delivered later. Okay. So this is the name. What we are understanding now here. So you want to getting anywhere in SU, you are not authorized. For your troubleshooting, so you have to go for SC50. You can check
So
SC50.
the
That's for missing authorizations display. Okay. Even now save and go back once again. So I want to downloading this role. Okay. Now go for main menu, role, role. First one, role, expand. Now I want to download. Just click on download it. Okay. Now give the path where we downloaded. Now getting error. What error is there?
no authorization to download this role. Then yes, you
Yeah, again, what will be? Where we go? Again, SU53. Again, what is it?
it is AGR
AGR.
DL.
Specify that.
GL.
DL, not GL. DL, but
DL.
downloaded. Save. Click on generate. So go back.
SAP is very good software to for security.
It's very complicated. Yeah, and go back.
It is complicated, but it is a security level. It's good. PFCG.
No, downloading, not
Sorry,
that.
sorry.
Downloading. Okay.
I have to come roll.
No, go back. Go back. Then only display. Okay, roll and downloading the roles. Okay, click on save.
Error in
So here
this.
again, you could have permission for GUI. Okay, again check it. Go for ST50. Which update is missing?
61
Send us to
GUI.
yeah. So just check it.
SUGI. It's not there here.
Yeah, it's not there. Yes, you can add manually. It's not there means you can add manually.
How could
Manual options there. Main manually open standard maintenance there. Na? So go for main menu.
yes? Go.
No, manual options there. Na? After generation deletion, select the criteria below application bar. Up manual is in
Yes, manual.
open. Yes, just what option you are inserting s underscore GUI.
Yes,
If application option is not able to, you can insert it manually. S underscore GUI. S underscore.
it is under. It is came here.
Insert it down. Expand down. Now check it. First one only. Application but GUI activity. What is this? 61. 61 is for
Export.
exporting. Means you want exporting SAP software to your computer. Okay. Now give that. Click on generate and now check generate. Every time generation is compulsory. Go for PFCG. Download that flow.
PFCD.
Okay. Done. Okay. Yeah. Now it's download. Click with the permission. Okay. Now action on submit. The total need to the in our system. The invalid mention is over, not shell sheet or not padding. No problem. Open. Right click on and open a different. In notepad something will show. Or else you want to be this no. Again you want to downloading, you have to get it better.
Okay. If I again now download.
The download is asking as a path, like what direct. Click on OK, now get text txt format. So okay, find anywhere. Data the XML array format. You click on save now. Okay, now check it.
That means that much of activity we did.
Yes. Okay, everything is checking one by one. Everything is assigned. Okay, in table level array. Okay. The first one column is calling as that is called as tables, means where we storing as this overall data. So this is the table level. The client number 800, your role name, and how many activities they across data, user data, everything is available. Okay. So it's storing database level, everything is storing into the SAP software. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Then so now I want to say restricting table also. So how to restrict the table level authorization also? Now you want to doing anything user creation or role creation. So everything is storing to the particular table. So how to able to see the tables is nothing but go for transaction code SC16 and enter the table names. Okay. So how you know that table security? So for example, overall financial information and coding, everything is storing table level only. But so you want to restrict the table level also. So before you want to restrict table level, then what we'll do? So you want to enter that. So you want a restriction. Okay. So in this role, you can adding as a again click on change a button. So before you want restriction, you want to creating as authorization group. Okay. Now go for transition code SC54 for that. Okay, no problem. SC54. Before you want SC. No, no, SC54 to create the 54 to create an authorization group. You are not authorized. Again, why you are not authorized? Where we check?
53.
Yes, SC53.
How many code you remember?
Like so many. In already told them when you go for, so you have 150 transaction more than that also you can do. You also remember for everything. Okay. Now see here
Yes.
what authorization update here?
Yes, T
S
code.
underscore T. Okay, what authorization SC54.
Yes, C54.
Go for that particular assign it. Actually don't go for here. Now go for directly Mushkar user ID full access guy. The restrictions is go for full access only, you know. Go for Mushkar user ID.
Yeah. It is Muskur ID.
Yeah. Yeah, then go for transaction code SC56.
Manually.
No, not wait. Just go back. No need to anything. Just go back. Generate. Then go back. Open the transaction code. SC50.
Yes, E 50,
50.
54.
54. SC50.
50, 50.
Oh, 5. 54. 4.
Okay, above dictionary, generate objects, authorization group.
Yeah. Now select the authorization group. Data button select the authorization group. So how to restrict the table access means first of all you can using the authorization groups concept only. Okay.
Mhm.
You can create and change button.
Create
You
and
can
change.
create is enough. Okay. Now enter the see what authorization object is there you are creating. So to table restriction is s underscore table underscore disk. Above is an object name. Okay. Now I want to create my own object. Sorry. No, I want to create my own group. Then click on new entries. Where we storing this overall s underscore table underscore disk. Object is there in above.
Yes,
Okay.
this is a table
That's
name.
the no object name. That is the object
Okay,
name.
object name. Okay.
Okay. Then click on new entries. Now I want to create my own group. Click on new entries. New entries is there above one more. New entries. Just click on new entries. So under the object, I want to create my own group. Give the group name. Should be some ZR violator, Jet Mushka something. Jet and basic. Sorry. Okay. Now give the description. Table security.
JS for MA.
Save button. Anything. Just click on save button. Now click on create a request. Actually, this is identification. I will explain in TMS concept. What is this transport request? Click on create button. Create button. Create a transport request. Create button. Create. No. That I won't request after you have to create buttons in a fourth icon. 11 fourth icon. So the second icon. Click on second icon here. No problem. Yes, fourth icon.
Okay.
Okay. Now enter the description. Start description. Table level security. Click on save now. No need to anything. Just click on save. By default, one identification is means you are doing a standard data. So who are children that will be recording this request? Identification. Okay. Click on OK. I will explain TMS with clearly start. Okay. Now go back. Now group was created.
Can I save it or?
Yes, I already saved. Okay. Then go back. Now I want to assign this group a particular table. Now select the 4 radio button. Again go back.
This one?
4th radio button. Now select the assign the authorization group. 4th radio button. Below one.
Fourth radio button.
Okay, now click on create button again.
Table name, authorization
Now
group.
enter. No. Table no. You want to do restriction table only, select the table name. Click on okay. Now enter the tables. So ESR01 to ESR04. I want able to only display those tables. If you are typing other than this anything, you're getting an error. ESR01. This is the one table name. I'll explain what is the table. I'll explain later. No. Close this. So you have a lot of tables in there. User rating ESR01.
ESR
USR. U for user.
USR01
To value. To ESR04. Now this guy is able to access only 04. Click on OK. Okay, now remove the overall groups. Authorization group is then remove the group name and bring as your group name. Z underscore MM, Z underscore MM, Z underscore MM, Z underscore MM. Okay. Remaining also. Below one also, below one. So click on save button. Click on OK again. Okay, now I am creating. Sir, very restriction is nothing but again PFCG only. No for transition PFCG here only. Here only PFCG. Already how to create the role. Go for PFCG. Okay, enter the click on change button. Now enter the one transaction code SA16. Because of sir, how to able to see the table is for SA61.
here. Long
Yeah,
tick.
menu. Go for menu. Menu.
Okay.
In menu you can add the transaction codes. No. SC16.
SC16.
Yes. For table maintenance. Click on OK. Assign the transaction code. Now go for authorization. Click on authorization. Okay, now go for main menu. It is just click on technical MSAR. It is technical MSAR. Now which authorization after to restrict the table? S underscore table underscore desk. For table restriction. Explain that. Explain the class and check it. What authorization update? Which authorization? S underscore table underscore desk. Which is that second one. Explain that. Give the activity only display. Already display is a give the authorization group. Already is there. Okay. Now below one you can give the group name. What the group you are creating? Get underscore M. Close this. Close this. Give the group name. Get underscore M. Run save. Now click on generate. Now check it that. Now log on to LWBase user ID. Now go for transition code. Yeah, now go for transition code. SC16 to see the tables. Now enter the table name. No, enter the table name. ESR01. ESR01. Okay. Now click on first icon. First icon. No, not project. Click on execution now. So this is the overall execution. First icon. First icon. Time symbol is execution. So it will take as the overall user list. Okay, you are able to see the table or not. Even if you find a user ID also, just click on Control F and enter your user ID and just check it. The user ID is there. This is the table. So storing as a overall user related information here. Find it. Okay, is there now? Just double click on it. And double click, just double click on it. Okay, it will display the user ID. Okay, everything is there. Okay. So now what are the table you are able to be accessing? Only you are asking USR01 to USR04. This 4 table you are accessing. Other than the table you are asking anything, you are getting as error.
What is the role of on the SAP for database administrator?
Sorry, database administrator
Yeah. What is the role really? What he is doing?
in backend system.
Yeah.
In backend system is taking as a basis because you're taking only backup purpose, recovery purpose, restore purpose, and those things. Remaining administration activity, not overall activity, only a few activities. Backup, mainly backup. Okay. When the backup, when the backup and the patches operation, then you go for this one. System purpose, system update, or
Suppose
this. Depending on, yeah.
how he is managing high availability of the database.
Which one?
Suppose you have a Oracle database, high availability will be there.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose I have a 4 node here rack, which I am running now. I have 4 node of rack. Suddenly my database has some problem, so I restarted it. So
Again,
how?
yeah. Is accessing as database access, you can log in and check it. Why the database is down. Okay, when it's done, which node is down.
Okay, maybe
Okay, so,
during installation time I can came to know.
okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
because it is maybe more advanced to ask this.
Okay. Fine. Then go back. Okay. Now this 4 tables sorry you're accessing only. You're not typing other than this anything.
You
Then
can.
go back. So enter the table name ESR05. Getting error. ESR05.
Yeah,
Click on
because
execution, but yeah, what happened? You're not authorized to display.
up to 4 we have given 01 to 04.
So again, why I'm not at the where we check?
Sorry.
Again, where we check? Why I'm not authorized? Why where we check?
Okay, N
SC53.
53.
Yes. And check it. So there are table and give the 03 activity. The table name is group name is KB12.
KV12.
Okay, you have to specify the KB12 is able to access as a USR05 also.
03.
Okay. Now where we go? Yeah, go for that particular row. 03 is for display only.
Okay. Then KB12.
Yeah, give the speed. Actually, give the group name Z underscore MM. You want specific KB12. Now is able to access as a that group that table also. Now check it, go for that particular authorization object, give the activity, already group, just click on give the group name, change the group name. Below. Here already is there, na? Change the group.
Change the group.
The reverse column is then just click on change button.
Change button.
That is the activity. Na? You have to change the group. Already zero this display is available, but group is not available. What the group name? Below one, below one. Next to row. Yeah, KB12.
Here.
Anywhere KB12. Okay, now click on save. Now click on generate and now check it. Okay, now check. So slash go for SA16 and 6. Now enter the table name USR05. Click on execution. I think capital letters. Maybe you have to specify the capital letters A black. Go for again. It's a case. Yeah, go for there. No, not here. There only. With the remove that is a capital. No, not here. Give the from value. Debit or give the from value. Remove that. Give the from value below it. Debit for capital letter. AB. Generate again. Now click on save. Now check it. First icon. Now is able to see the table. Okay. Click on execution button. Let's do overall data. Execution button. Okay. Now is able to see the user generator. Okay. Now again is user generator. Like you can do the table restrictions also. In real time, overall financial tables you can just stick to it. So how many types of tables is there? So how you're tracing, that will be discussed in tomorrow sessions. Okay. So already I shared the case study for this SC53 previous one. Please go for it and check it. In real time, which department you want to get this error? So how you troubleshoot as a basis consultant. The previous class I've shared the case study. Now please go to the
Yeah.
case
Yeah.
studies and check it.
Yeah. Okay. I will do
Okay.
tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.